AI video tools promise entire YouTube videos from a text prompt. After testing 7 of the most popular ones, I found most are overhyped and only 3 are worth your money. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what each tool can do, what it costs, and which ones actually deliver on their promises. Stay until the end because I'll reveal the exact workflow I use to create videos like this one for under $50 a month. Welcome to AI Tools, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the latest AI software. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, hit subscribe and the bell icon. Now let's dive in. Tool number 1, InVideo AI. Price starts at $25 per month. Rating, 7 out of 10. Best for complete beginners. InVideo AI is the most hands-off option on this list. You literally type a topic, and it generates a full video with script, stock footage, voiceover, and subtitles. The quality is decent for social media content, and it pulls from a library of over 16 million stock clips. However, the videos can feel generic, and you have limited control over the creative direction. If you just want something fast with zero editing skills, InVideo works, but if you care about standing out, you'll want more control. Tool number 2, Pictory. Price, $25 per month. Rating, 8 out of 10. Best for quality and control. Pictory takes a different approach. You paste in a script, and it matches relevant stock footage to each sentence. What I love is the control it gives you. You can swap clips, adjust timing, add text overlays, and customize transitions. The AI scene matching is surprisingly accurate about 80% of the time. For faceless YouTube channels, this is one of the best options because you get professional-looking results while maintaining creative control over every scene. Tool number 3, 11 Labs. Price, $11 per month. Rating, 9 out of 10. Essential for any faceless channel. 11 Labs isn't a video tool, it's a voice tool, and it's the single most important tool on this list. If you're not showing your face, your voice has to carry the entire video. 11 Labs produces voices so realistic that most viewers cannot tell it's AI. You can choose from dozens of natural-sounding voices, adjust tone and pacing, and even clone your own voice. At $11 a month, this is an absolute must-have for any faceless creator. Tool number 4, HeyGen. Price, $29 per month. Rating, 7 out of 10. Best for AI presenter style. HeyGen creates videos with AI-generated presenters or avatars. The lip-syncing technology is impressive, and if your channel uses a virtual host rather than B-roll footage, this is your best option. However, it's more expensive than alternatives, and the avatar style doesn't work for every niche. Tool number 5, CapCut. Price, free. Rating, 8 out of 10. Best free option for shorts. CapCut has quietly become one of the best AI-powered editors available. It features text-to-video, dynamic auto-captioning, trending music integration, and smart editing suggestions. For YouTube Shorts, CapCut is unbeatable because it's free and optimized for vertical video. Tool number 6, Runway. Price, $12 per month. Rating, 8 out of 10. Best for custom cinematic B-roll. Runway generates stunning cinematic clips from text descriptions. Need a drone shot of a futuristic city? Runway can create it. The quality rivals professional footage. Tool number 7, Auto Shorts. Price, $49 per month. Rating, 6 out of 10. Best for shorts-only channels. It batch produces short-form content with auto-scheduling. Quality is hit or miss, and at $49 monthly, it's expensive for what you get. Now here's my recommended workflow. After testing all 7 tools, the optimal stack costs $48 to $73 per month. Step 1. Write your script using ChatGPT or Claude for free. Step 2. Generate voiceover with 11 Labs for $11 a month. Step 3. Create your base video with Pictory for $25 a month. Step 4. Add custom B-roll with Runway for $12 a month. Step 5. Final editing with CapCut for free. This gives you professional faceless YouTube videos that look like they were made by a full production team. If you found this helpful, subscribe and drop a comment telling me which AI video tool you're most interested in trying. Links to all tools are in the description. Next video, I'm comparing ChatGPT versus Claude versus Gemini. See you there.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of AI video generation. It's 2026, and the landscape has evolved dramatically. We're comparing 5 free tools. First up, Runway ML. Let's see how it's progressed. We'll start with a simple text-to-video prompt. Here's the interface. I'll input a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars. Watch as it generates. Runway's output. The quality is decent, but the animation can still be a bit rigid. My rating, 7 out of 10. Next, Pika Labs, known for its quick iterations. We'll try a similar prompt. A robot walking through a neon-lit alley. Pika's workflow is user-friendly. Just type your prompt and hit generate. Let's analyze the result. Pika Labs delivered a good aesthetic, but the robot's movement isn't perfectly fluid. My rating, 7.5/10. Now, Kling AI. This newcomer is making waves. Prompt. A dragon flying over a medieval castle, stormy sky. Kling AI's generation process is impressively fast. The level of detail and motion blur is remarkable. Look at this. Kling AI's dragon is truly cinematic. The lighting and dynamic movement are outstanding. My rating, 9.5/10. Next, Lumadream Machine. This one's been hyped. Let's input underwater scene, colorful fish, ancient ruins. Lumadream Machine's output is visually stunning, almost photorealistic. However, it's a bit slower. My rating, 8.5/10. Finally, Halo AI, a dark horse in this race. Prompt. A lone astronaut exploring an alien planet. Halo AI offers good customization, but the final video lacks the polish of its competitors. My rating, 6.5/10. After extensive testing, the clear winner in 2026 for free AI video generation is Kling AI. Its combination of speed, quality, and motion fidelity sets it apart. The future of video creation is here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Welcome to the ultimate guide for creating viral AI-generated videos in 2026. Today, I'll show you how to leverage Kling AI, 11 Labs, and CapCut to produce professional, faceless content. First, let's dive into Kling AI. This is where the magic begins. Open your browser and navigate to the Kling AI platform. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface. Look for the Generate Video button, usually prominently displayed in the center or top left. Click on it to start a new project. Now for the prompt. This is crucial. Be descriptive and specific. For example, a futuristic city skyline at sunset with flying cars and holographic advertisements. The camera slowly pans across the city. Experiment with different styles. Kling AI offers various options like cinematic, anime, realistic, and cartoon. Select Cinematic for a high-quality, professional look. Adjust the video settings. Pay attention to resolution and duration. For social media, 1080p is usually sufficient. Keep the duration short, around 15 to 30 seconds for optimal engagement. Once your settings are finalized, hit Generate. This process can take a few minutes depending on the complexity of your prompt and the server load. Be patient. While Kling AI is working, let's prepare our voiceover with 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs in a new tab. Select your desired voice. There are many options, so choose one that fits a tech channel's educational tone. Type or paste your script into the text-to-speech box. For example, this incredible AI technology allows us to visualize our wildest ideas with stunning realism. The future of content creation is here. Adjust the voice settings. You can modify the stability, clarity, and style. Play around with these until you find a voice that sounds natural and engaging. Then, click Generate and download the audio file. Once your video from Kling AI is ready, download it. Now, open CapCut. This is our editing powerhouse. Import both the generated video and the 11 Labs audio file into your project. Drag the video clip to the timeline. Then, drag the audio track beneath it. Carefully synchronize the audio with the video. You might need to trim the video or audio slightly to match them perfectly. Add text overlays and captions. In CapCut, go to Text and choose a suitable style. Add key points, insights, or calls to action. Ensure the text is clear, concise, and easy to read. Enhance your video with background music or sound effects. CapCut offers a library of free assets. Choose something subtle that complements your voiceover without overpowering it. Adjust volume levels accordingly. Finally, export your video. Choose a high-quality export setting, like 1080p at 30 frames per second. Give your file a descriptive name and save it. You've just created a professional, AI-generated video ready to go viral.